Time has come for me to change windshield wipers on a Ford Escape. What we have here is a 2003 Ford Escape. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the windshield wipers. So first things first, lift it up and then basically work it off like this. And then this plastic piece will just slide down. It basically goes up in here like this. So slide that off. Mine seems like it's a little bit rusty. Got the new blade right here. Yeah, depending on the wiper blades that you guys get, this one will kind of go in like this and it will hook. Oh, this is so difficult to do with one-handed. Slides in right behind this piece right here, and then you basically just fold it down and down it goes. Again, depending on the windshield wiper that you get, assembly could be a little bit different, but this should give you a general idea. And just for the sake of it, maybe this one will help more. So you pick it up, push it back like this. Let me try to get some better lighting. And it comes off. I'll just wiggle it off. And then this will come down. I'm trying to do this with one hand. There you go. Take the new one, put it in like so, and then just gently push up and it should clip in. Let me do it with both hands. There you go. And just put it down. That's it. Takes 20-30 seconds.